If driving a ton of free traffic from Instagram interests you, then you need to pay close attention. In this review, we are going to be taking a close look at ProfitGram, and also, most importantly, I'm also going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses, which are very important that you take a look at before you decide to purchase ProfitGram. This is Aki here. We're going to be taking a close look at ProfitGram in this review. And ProfitGram goes live on the 18th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is an Instagram traffic software that allows you to pull free traffic from Instagram, basically to any link or any affiliate offer you want to send this traffic to, with the aim of getting conversions and ultimately making some cool money online. Of course, this comes with some tricks and some bits here and there that you need to pay close attention to if you really want to succeed with this, if you want this to work for you in the first place, and then if you want to make some money using free traffic from Instagram. So I'm going to go through my bonuses, and then I'm going to take you to the dashboard, the members area, to show you how this works. This actually is very simple and straightforward to use. You need to connect your Instagram account, which is the first thing, right? You need to go to your account manager. You see your account profiles there. This is where your Instagram profiles are going to show up. And to start to connect your account, just click on add Instagram profile. And then this is where you enter username, enter password and stuff like that, and also enter proxy. Now, this is where so many people are going to fail in the first place, because you need to have a proxy in order to connect your Instagram account. How do you get this for free or for cheap? That's what my first bonus actually takes care of. And you don't want to miss this bonus if you're going to use ProfitGram, or if you expect this to actually work for you and make you some money in the first place. So my first bonus, I'm going to give you access to a training. This is a video where I actually show you how to get unlimited valid free Instagram proxies to use to connect your Instagram account. I believe you probably have the opportunity to connect a number of accounts even in the front end version of ProfitGram, which is going to be pretty cool. Now, I'm going to show you how to get these proxies and how to set them up, how to use them. Either you're going to be getting free ones, or probably the very cheap ones, the dead cheap ones that you can actually use to connect a number of Instagram accounts and then to set everything in motion. Because ProfitGram actually allows you to put, to do some scheduling. You can see schedules here to do some scheduling on your account. It allows you to mass message, contacts on Instagram, which is pretty cool. It allows you to publish. You can see here that you can actually publish photo, you can publish video, you can publish link, text, and stuff like that, which is pretty awesome. You can message, all those activities that actually ensure you get a ton of traffic from Instagram. You can see posts, you can see activity here, you can also see direct messaging, which actually shows up for you once you connect your account. All you need to do is select an account here, and then pretty much you are good to go. You also have the activity. This actually allows you, to set up some activities that ultimately allow you to drive some free traffic from Instagram. Now, this bonus actually shows you how to get these proxies, how to set them up, and ultimately how to make everything here work for you. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to give you access to my list, my responsive list of up to 800 plus active subscribers. Talking about my buyer list here, plus autoresponder software. You are going to get access to all of these as my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, you are going to get access to a full funnel of a software, free traffic software, that allows you to send free traffic to done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus reviews which automatically converts into sales. All you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, go and add it to your profile, and all these done for your product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. Same thing with Warrior Plus products. You need to go and get your affiliate links, add them in. This also allows you to create unlimited campaigns right from inside of the dashboard, which comes with free traffic, which is cool. Also, bonus number 4. Now, this is a tool that allows you, to get attention and get traffic and stuff like that. Now, you need some attention grabbing resources to pull traffic from Instagram, and you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and codes you can actually send directly, post, and use, schedule for months to come if you want. And then this allows you to get some free traffic on autopilot. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software. This gives you access to done for you products, affiliate marketing squeeze page templates that you need. All you need to do is get your affiliate link, select whichever one of these templates you want, slap in your affiliate link, and then you are good to go. Now, people will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to your affiliate offers or to any link you want to send them to. Now, even if they don't take action at that point in time, you now have their email addresses. You are going to be building your list with free traffic while making a ton of money with affiliate marketing. So you're going to get access to video here also that shows you how to profit with free traffic, talking about affiliate marketing. And also, bonus number 6, you're going to get access to PowerPoint video templates. You don't need any special software to make this work for you, because you're going to be getting access to this video template you can easily customize, and then hit the export button in PowerPoint to get MP4 videos you can use on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platform you wish to drive traffic from. Also, bonus number 7, I'm going to give you access to a traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of free traffic from Instagram. Also works on autopilot. And also, bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic using other people's videos. And then you can actually add your own links to these videos. And then you can actually add images, buttons, and stuff like that, which actually link to any affiliate offer or anywhere you want to drive traffic to, completely on autopilot. This does not require any product creation whatsoever. And of course, bonus number 9, you're going to get access to all the vendor bonuses also. And you can, as you can see, there's a ton of them, but just to let you know, you're going to be getting access to all these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. Now, what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this page. And if you click on any of the red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of ProfitGram, where you're going to be able to pick up ProfitGram and where you're going to be getting full information about this cloud-based software. So here it says send unlimited messages straight to the phones of 2 billion plus people for a low one-time price. Brand new email killer Instagram autoresponder lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds. Say goodbye to inconsistent email marketing, having to build lists or pay for SMTP and autoresponder. So feel free, come check this out in your own time to get full information about this. You are also going to find proof of results right here on this sales page. Of course, you are not going to make this the first day or even the first week, but definitely this is something that if you put consistent effort in, this is bound to make you some profit and to get you some awesome results, if only you commit to it and you put this to work. So come check this sales page out in your own time to get full information about ProfitGram. So pretty much that's it. That's the members area. This is what it looks like, and this basically allows you to drive some traffic from Instagram. What you want to do, you need to add a bio. You need to add a link in the bio of your account first of all, and then if you actually want to send links in form of messages, you can do that. It also gives you access to watermark, where you can actually customize images, put your own watermark on these images. You can upload the watermark, and then you can select which position you want this watermark to show up, whether at the center, whether at the top, whether at the bottom. You can put this watermark wherever it is you want, and then you can save it. You have your image which you can post. Let's go to captions, and then you get access to captions which you can actually use. These are kind of like templates that have been done for you, which you can use. You get access to awesome file manager that basically allows you, to upload, content here, which you can actually use again and again, whether images or videos and stuff like that. You get access to account manager, that actually allows you to manage your accounts, your connected accounts right here. And of course, you get access to training and support right here. If you go to schedule, it actually shows you all your schedule, what you've published, what you've not published, Instagram posts and stuff like that. So this is actually a software that's pretty easy and straightforward to use, if you ask me. But then you are still going to get access to training and support right here, just to ensure that you get the best possible results using this software. So talking about the pricing right now, the front end that gives you access to all these features goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool. You are probably going to get a downsell if you try to exit the sales page. Maybe you move your mouse, up as if you want to close the sales page. Just move your mouse, upwards. I believe you're going to get an exit pop-up or something like that might allow you to pick it up for, even less than $17, which is cool. Now, there are some optional upsells. You have the ProfitGram Pro Edition. You have the ProfitGram Enterprise Edition. You have the ProfitGram Done For You Edition. You have the Reseller Edition. You have the IMX Bundle, which are all optional. If all you get is just the front end, you still get access to all my custom bonuses. And that's going to be my review of ProfitGram. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Also, you are going to find a full demo of ProfitGram on this bonus page right here. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.